Crude oil and natural gas both recovered sharp yesterday. In fact, natural gas has moved towards 3.6 and now trading with the support at 3.5. Remember, I have mentioned one thing that once it trades beyond 3.6, I am looking forward to 3.8, $3.9 levels in this month itself for natural gas. While crude oil is also now see this is the beauty of analysis. What did we discuss? That the median of the move is now at 73.6, 74 zone, and that is what it has done. It has moved towards 73.6, 74 levels here. Now, what to expect from oil and gas today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch. First, oil on the early charts. After the drop, it is under retracement. It is trading in this channel on the downside. The support levels at 73.4, very very strong, and see multiple candles trying to break below 73.4, failing to do so. It is staying bullish, and now look at the crossover in the moving averages on the upside. This is again a very good sign for the bulls. There's only bearishness today in crude oil is if it trades below 73. As long as it stays below above 73, we have to be cautious. And see how beautifully it is respected 72.4. Remember, I have been sharing this, that see it has formed a bottom here. It is giving an expanding triangle, trading in an expanding triangle, hitting the lows here again at 72.4. Now it is back in the journey. So if it trades above 74, we are looking forward to 74.4, 75, and if that is also taken, then we are looking forward to 75 levels. Stochastic oversold here. MACD is in green. RSI is flat here, not showing much of the signs here. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, moving averages converged here, but failing to cross over, now looking upwards. Also, see, it is showing a slight reversal sign. So, as long as now $74 levels are not taken, we have to be cautious here with the buys. While on the downside till 73.4, we have to watch out for the sells here. And then also 73.173 is going to be the prime support zone for the day. Stochastic looking down, slight bearish sign it is, while the MACD after hitting the bottom here, it has crossed over, it is trading in green, it is looking upwards, showing signs of bullishness. RSI is looking upwards as well. On the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same here. Yes, it has come down to the median of the Bollinger Bands, and 73.6, 73.4 ideally should be a very good support. While now let's see which direction it breaks here. On the upside beyond 74 is the only position where you can buy. Moving averages which are trading with tremendous divergence have converged. Now again is starting to look upwards. Wait for a breakout here in order to confirm a reversal. Else what is happening? Connect the dots here. Connect the dots here. And another point to note here is, what did we see here? Look at this. Just connect this. You will find it is precisely positioned at the median as of now. So the direction it gives you a breakout is going to be the direction here. So if it stays above 74, we can look forward to a good up move here. Stochastic overbought here, while the MACD after hitting the bottom, it is now crossed over and trading with very little divergence here. This may continue to stay in this direction, that is on the upside. RSI also almost flat. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts also similar observation here. I can see a bit of support, and here at 73.6, 73.4 zone, which should be a very good support zone. Any drop below this might bring the prices a little lower. Then also 73, 73.2 should be a good support. Below that we may see a good break here on the downside. See, moving averages are still running parallel and still staying bullish. While the stochastic here is overbought, and what we had seen, whenever it enters into an overbought zone, it tries to take, and hence this zone is getting, I am getting extra cautious in between 73.6, 74 zone before taking a buying position. But when you look at MACD, see here the case was different. The MACD was at little highs here, and that is why we have seen this drop. But now the MACD has seen the dip and it is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can lead to reversal here. The RSI is also now looking upwards. Coming today, now before we move to daily, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see, coming to daily charts, what has happened here and here, this was the swing here. In one single candle, we have seen oil traveling a distance from 74.8 to 72.4. Now 73.6, 74 is the median zone here. And see, this is the resistance which it needs to break, and that is why today if you see oil staying above 74 and 74.2 levels, you can just stay bullish. Beyond this you can expect 74.5, and then 75 levels as the next target. But my worry point is what oil is doing. See, the moving average is crossing over here, definitely is a good bullish sign. It is forming the support at 72.4, that is another good sign here. Below 72.4, if it breaks, that is the point of time, because see, it is trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period. Either it can consolidate here in the zone, wait for the moving average to climb up, take the support, and then bounce back. This is one possibility. Else it can try to erase the gains here. It can try to move towards 71.7, 71.2 zone, or 72 zone, which is going to be the first support, and 71.4 the next. Stock ISTIC has dropped here. The MACD is still trading with divergence and staying bullish. The RSI is looking upwards as well. So considering the buying point for crude oil today is above 74, where you can expect 74.25 and 74.5. Beyond 74.5, this time we will wait for 75 levels. And remember, once it stays above 75, 75 is one critical resistance, that is also gap filling thing. It has a gap left at 74.5, 75 levels. And then beyond this, we are looking forward to 75.8, 76 zone, the next targets. Yes, we are still having a near-term bullishness in oil, but let's see today which direction it takes. At the same time, on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 73.4 levels. Below 73.4, you can expect 73.1, 73 as the first target zone, 72.7 as the second, and 72.4 as the third. If at any point of time oil drops below 72.4 today, you need to just stay short for 71.8, and then 71.4, 71 levels as the next targets. Chances for such a stronger dump appears to be less, but data might bring a little volatility here in the energy as well. So take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. See, natural gas on the hourly charts hitting the highs at 3.6. It is retraced. It is now finding the support here at 3.4748, and now trying to bounce back. See, it is showing a reversal sign and trying to rise. Now, if you see it is staying above 3.55, stay bullish for 3.6. And remember, once it stays above 3.6, we are looking forward to a good rise 3.64 next, and beyond 3.64 it is not going to come back. There is a possibility of 3.8 levels very, very, very soon. Moving averages again starting to trade with divergence and bullishness. Stock ISTIC rising, MACD trying to cross over here, good sign for the bulls. RSI rising as well, again a good sign supportive of further bullishness. Look at the 2 hour charts, rise retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here. It appears to be moving towards to higher highs level, that is 3.6465 zone. Possibility is there. See, after retracement, couple of bullish candles, there is a possibility of a third bullish candle as well, taking it till towards 3.6 and in fact 3.64 levels. Stock ISTIC at bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD is divergent, the MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising again, very good sign and supportive sign for the bulls out here. On the 3 hour, the observation remains same on the 3 hour charts, rise retracement, and now trying to bounce back up again. And now if you see it is staying above 3.5455, if you see the lower price is about 3.5455, stay bullish. We can expect 3.6 levels as the first target, and in fact 3.6465. Now 3.6465 is one resistance which it needs to break. Then we can see more bullishness out here. Stock ISTIC, see the MACD moving averages are also divergent now. These have crossed over, staying bullish. The stock ISTIC has dropped. The MACD trading with divergence and bullishness. The RSI is rising. Signs are supportive and for the bullishness here. On the 4 hour charts also, the observation remains the same, only rise retracement, and now trying to break out. Now this is also clear that now the bearishness, all the selling entries in natural gas is only and only if you see it is staying below 3.46, 3.4 to 4, 3.4 zone. The 3.4 to 3.4 is going to be an extremely important support zone here for the day. Right now it is looking upwards, and it might try to hit higher highs. It might try to stay towards the top of the channel, which is right now having at the highs at around 3.64. This should be a greater resistance here, because beyond this we are looking forward to a greater rise. Moving averages are crossing over again, very good sign for the bulls. MACD divergent, MACD bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also looking upwards, again a healthier sign for the bulls here. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, I did mention to you that rise retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement, and natural gas is still staying in this bullish channel. And now it is very important for it to stay above 3.64 levels, which will confirm the reversal here. Beyond 3.64 today, I think we are looking forward to a very good rise. In fact, the next week also it may give a gap up which can take it towards 3.8. In fact, $4 levels are also possible very soon. Stochastic rising here. The MACD right now it is trading bearish. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. This is not a good sign here though. RSI is rising. RSI is still supportive. So considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy at 3.54, 3.55. Expect it to move towards 3.6, 3.64, which are achievable levels. Beyond 3.64 is where you can expect more bullishness to prevail. Till 3.64 levels, do not treat this as bullish. It can reverse, it can drop again, it can stay bearish here. While on the downside now, a selling entry today for natural gas is only below 3.46 levels. If you see natural gas below 3.46, remember 3.4 to 3.4 is going to remain the prime support. And then if at all it trades below 3.42 and 3.4, you can stay bearish. You can expect 3.36, 3.34 levels, below which is where you can say more bearishness to prevail. As long as 3.3436 zone is not taken today, do not treat this as bearish. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.